So what is the first thing you do after you get into a car accident? Do you call your family, maybe your insurance company, or do you call an attorney? Valley attorney Joe Brown is here this morning with some great advice, and you have a unique insight because you've been on both sides of this. What is a personal injury attorney?
Well, personal injury attorney, what we do is help people when they've been injured as a result of someone else. Typically, you think of car accidents, dog bites, maybe a slip and fall. That's traditionally what personal injury attorneys handle. I mean, I've handled some other unique situations, explosions, things like that, where someone's visiting and things go wrong.
So say I get into an accident, Joe, what do I have to pay? What do I have to pay?
You don't pay us anything. That's
okay,
the
so
best.
you guys
best
will
part.
work for me without me paying you anything.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's called a contingency fee. We work. We get paid out of the settlement, so you don't pay us anything. There's no upfront costs. We expend the cost to get your records and bills. All those things are part of the contingency fee, and if we win, then we collect. If we don't win, you owe us nothing.
And then you amp it up a bit with what's called a fair fee agreement. What is that?
You know, I was in a bad accident. Not only was I a former insurance adjuster, but I was also in an accident. And I firmly believe that people who are in accidents should get as much compensation, if not more, and I think more is more appropriate,
yes,
than their attorney. And most law firms don't believe that. Their fee is 1/3 or some discount fee, whatever it is. And however much the client gets is however much the client gets. They take their attorney's fees, they pay the doctors, and whatever's left is left. Well, we guarantee that we never get more than that client. And you know, I think that it's important because you're the one that's going through all this.
Right.
You shouldn't do this so that the doctors and the attorneys can get paid.
And not only you're going through it, your family's going through it. Oh. Maybe your work, maybe you have to take time off work. So you kind of you're making us feel better through this very difficult process.
My job is to take all of this off your chest. You know what, clients often say, the minute they walk out of my office, I just felt so relieved. I knew you had this and I could just focus on getting better, getting to the doctor, getting back to work as soon as I can, taking care of the kids, getting them to and from soccer practice, whatever I need to do, because I didn't need to worry about those phone calls because you've got it from the insurance company.
Right.
I just knew that you were going to take care of it, and that's exactly what we want. That's what we want to give that feeling and make sure that you are comfortable and taken care of.
You shared with us that you had been in a bad car accident, but you've also been an insurance adjuster. That's what I was saying on the other side. Yes. Why did you want to be on this side? Why was this important to you?
You know, I didn't like being an insurance adjuster. Yeah. I don't like.
You weren't cut out.
I just not. I mean, my personality is that I always want to fight for the underdog. That's who I am. I always feel like I've kind of been an underdog in my life and how I came up and things like that. But I sympathize with those and the pain that they're in, and I always, as an insurance adjuster, was looking to give a little bit more than maybe the business was wanting to, and I think that's why I'm a perfect fit for this, because I've experienced it. I know what the other side's thinking. I know what they're going to do before they do it, and I can use all that to help benefit my client, which is what I really love. Yeah,
you take that knowledge and you pass it on to the client. Why is ALG different than other personal injury attorneys in town?
Well, not only do you have my experience as being on the other side, actually I have a great litigation team that has experience on the other side as well. Bob Shealy's my partner in charge of litigation. He's been 31 years doing defense work. Don Krause, our personal injury certified specialist. So between the three of us, we always make the comment, there's probably not much that has happened that we haven't seen, and that we can't prepare and make sure the case is going in the right direction and help our clients get the best possible settlement.
I was going to say dynamic duo, but then you named another one.
Yeah,
so
we got
terrific
three.
Trio.
Yes.
How about that? We go with that. Amazing. Thank you. Always great information. We appreciate you. Let's give you a special offer now. Accident Law Group. They have 2 locations for your convenience. 3923 South McClintock Drive, Suite 400. That's in Tempe. Or you can visit their office at 15650 North Black Canyon Highway, Suite 155B in Phoenix. Dial ** ALG from your mobile phone or visit accidentlawgroup.com for more information.